This is a unicorn. No, it is. Like, these trucks are worth. Aaron, who knows about trucks, will tell you that this is a unicorn. They're rare to find, and people that know what they are, hold on to them. You should. You should. This thing will run forever. Me and Caleb just got done talking about this 2002 GMC 2500. You don't see many of these, and when they're on the road, you know the person that has them loves them and takes care of it. They're a unicorn. This came in for 8-year premium coating on it. Caleb washed it, clayed it, iron decon bath it, then went over all the paint, polished everything, getting all the micro scratches out of it, then coated all the paint, plastics, headlights, glass, took the wheels off, did the inside barrel of the wheels, protecting this thing for many more years to come. Then behind it is this Challenger. This Challenger is getting the works as well. This came in for a full paint correction and an 8-year premium coating. Caleb's just working through that black paint right now. You can see him getting a drink because it's doing his tool on him, and then he's gonna throw some ceramic on it and get this guy ready to last out the summer. Beside it is this big body Audi A8. This is also getting a Fusion coating. This is the Fusion 4-year coating on this Audi A8. I don't know if your camera can catch it, but it has this great blue to it. It almost looks black, but the ceramic's really pushing out that blue color. It's gonna pop when you see it out in the sun. Then beside that is a Toyota 4Runner. This Toyota 4Runner came in with, just for some A-pillar, actually, paint protection film on it, and the customer started thinking about it and gave us a call and said, you know what, I want to protect the whole entire thing, so now we're putting it back in the wash bay. We're going to wash and clay everything, get it back into the paint protection bay, and we're going to protect the whole entire car in paint protection film. On the rack is another full wrap on a C8. We're doing a full wrap and ceramic coating. This is getting the works as well. This is going to be a full wrap and 8-year premium coating on this. Then Max is just doing the doors on this. This customer noticed that his paint was getting a little beat up from driving it down the road, so he got the doors repainted, and then he had us put the paint protection film on it, so then there's no worries, and he can rip down the road, not have to worry about rock chips every time he hears a little noise. Over here in the tint bay, happy as always, is Terrell throwing on XR fronts on this brand new Acura. That's a really popular package that we have. XR fronts, a lot of SUVs come with the tint already in the back, so we can factory match the front to make everything look uniform and keep you cool and collective going down the highway. Coming outside, we have this Subaru, same thing. It got the XR fronts to match the back to make everything look uniform. Beside the Subaru is my Volkswagen Atlas. This got XR Plus all the way around in 5%. I have 55 on the windshield and then a 5% strip, and I also have 55 on the sunroof. Be amazed on how many people I talked into getting the windshield done after they see how cool mine looks and how refreshing it is. I can only imagine if Expel would give me that full body wrap. Then beside it is a Volvo S60. This is in also for a premium coating, so that's going to be our 8-year ceramic coating protection. We're going to take the wheels off, do the inside barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers, get that all done for them. And then let's go take a look around front and see what's going on. Caleb pulled around the only thing we had up front to get it prepped for the guys up there, so let's check out what's going on in Gibsonia.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This was in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating 2 weeks ago. It is back in the shop today for a ham wash and ceramic coating maintenance checkup. In the tint bay, we have a 2024 Tesla Model S. Being it's the 2024, it is completely redesigned. Tesla did a great job on the interior. As you can see, new seat backs on the Model S, the Alcantara inserts. Really nice touch there from Elon. This is in the shop for the works. We're going to be doing a full stealth wrap on the entire body of the vehicle. We're also tinting all the side windows and the back window. Back in the PPF bay, we have the guys working on a new Acura TLX. This one is in for a partial front clip. So we're talking partial hood, the front third of the hood that is, the fender tips, the front bumper, and the 2 side view mirrors. Up on the lift is a Mazda. We love to do daily drivers here. This one is in for the works. We're doing a full wrap on this vehicle. So every inch of paint is protected in our 8mm paint protection film. We are also tinting all the side windows and the back window, along with coating the entire vehicle in our 4-year Fusion Plus coating. Outside we have a new GMC Sierra Denali. This one is in for an interior coating. The interior coating is great on seats, plastic, leather. Really helps out with just general wear and tear along with light staining. So we detailed and coated this entire interior. Next to the GMC is another brand new Tesla Model S. This one is also in for some paint protection film. It's also a full wrap actually as well. So this one's getting Ultimate Plus, our glossy finish film. It's getting a full body wrap, a coating, and window tint. Next up, we got Tim doing some quality checks on this Lexus. This one got a track package with some additional pieces here. We did a traditional track package on it, along with the painted piece down to here on the running board, along with the pillars and the partial roof. We also tinted the 2 front windows on this to match the factory tint. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll catch you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, Nick here from the Flat Glass Department. Here we are in LATROBE, Pennsylvania, installing our Clearview Plus 70 film for this customer. It's going to block 94% of heat on their big palladium window that they love, as well as their front door.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the South Florida location. Behind me is a very big truck we're working on. Let me show you. So this is a Super Duty, just got a full paint protection film wrap front to back with Expel 10 mil. It's also getting a ceramic coating. And we've got some tint jobs coming in later. We've got some vinyl wrap as well. I'll show you that. And here we've got an S-Class Mercedes, beautiful car. We're doing a chrome delete, so all of the silver here, the door handles will be black. And that's it for what's happening in Florida. We'll catch you next week.